Good morning students, welcome to our geometry class. We have already completed two problems of exercise 3.1. Now let's start our third problem. Now these all problems are depends on test of congruence. Now see the third problem. What is given? Here ABC triangle is given and PQR this second triangle is given. Now see here angle A is 90 and angle Q is also 90. And if it is a right angle triangle which is hypotenuse, BC is hypotenuse and PQ are the hypotenuse. Means hypotenuse is given, one side is given and one of the angle is 90. So which test is applicable here? Hypotenuse side test. So first write down always congruent elements. Now first you have to write down in triangle BAC and triangle PQR. What is given? That you have to write down first. Angle A is congruent to angle Q. What is the reason? Each 90. Then which is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse CB is congruent to hypotenuse QP. That is given. Then again what is given? Segment AB is congruent to segment QP. It is given. Therefore, by which test? By hypotenuse side test. These two triangles are congruent. Which triangles? Triangle BAC is congruent to triangle PQR. And then you have to write down which elements? Remaining elements. Now, which are the remaining elements? One angle is given and two sides are given. Means which are the remaining elements? Two angles and one side. So first write down which side is not given. Segment AC is congruent to segment QR. Segment AC is congruent to segment QR. What is the reason? CSCT, corresponding sides of congruent triangles. Then you have to write down angles. Angle C is congruent to angle R. Angle C is congruent to R. And second angle B is congruent to angle P. Angle B is congruent to angle P. Here what is the reason? CACT, corresponding angles of congruent triangles. In this way you have to write down the remaining elements. Now see the fourth. In fourth also what is given? Here LM is congruent to PN. LN is congruent to PN. No angle is given. And what is common for both the LMN? What is common? MN. And PMN? What is common? MN. So all the three sides are given. Therefore, which test is applicable? SSS test. Now see here which triangles you have to take. In triangle LMN and triangle PNM. What is given that you have to write down? Segment LN is congruent to segment PM. That is given. Then LM is congruent to PN. Segment LM is congruent to segment PN. And third you have to take segment MN is congruent to segment MN. What is the reason? Common side. Common side. It is a common side, therefore which test is applicable? Triangle LMN is congruent to triangle PNM. By which test? SSS test. By which test? SSS. And then you have to write down the remaining elements. Which are the remaining elements? Now all the three sides are given. So which are the remaining elements? All the three angles. Now see here, if we take figure like this, it is your LMN and it is your triangle PNN. So L is congruent to P, M is congruent to M, N is congruent to N. This way you have to write down the names. So first angle L is congruent to angle P. Second, what is the name of this angle? LMN is congruent to PNN. LMN is congruent to PNN. and then you have to write down this angle LMN. Angle LNM is congruent to angle LNM PMN. This angle you have to take. And what is the reason? CACT. Corresponding angles of congruent triangle. This way you have to write down both the solve this both the solutions. Now see here third and fourth. Now let's see the fifth problem. Now here third and fourth you have already done. Now see the fifth problem. It is also easy problem. Now see the fifth. What is fifth problem? Now see here. In fifth, this type of figure is given. A, B, C and D. A, B, C, D is given, and here AB and BC are congruent, AD and CD are congruent. You have to prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBD. Here also what is given? All the three sides are given. So which test is applicable? SSS test. Here only you have to write down congruent elements. So first, in triangle ABD and triangle CBD, what is given? Segment AB is congruent to segment BC. Then AD is congruent to CD. Segment AD is congruent to segment CD. And third, what you have to take? Segment BD is congruent to segment BD. What is the reason for all the three? CSCE. And therefore by which test? By SSS test, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBD. Here only you have to show that the triangles are congruent. Use the test and triangles. Now see the sixth question. In sixth question, what is given? Triangle is given. This type of triangle is given. Here Q, T, R, P, S. And what is given? Angle P is congruent to angle R. Then PQ is congruent to RQ. PQ is congruent to RQ. You have to show that PQT is congruent to RQS. In triangle PQT and triangle RTS. PQT, PQT and RQS. RQS. Now see here what is given here. Angle P is congruent to angle R. Then PQ is congruent to QR. Now what is common here? Angle Q is common for both the triangles. So you have to take this. Now see here in the figure what you see. Here two angles and middle side is congruent. So which test is applicable? ASA test. Now in triangle PQT and RQS, what is given that you have to write down first? Angle P is congruent to angle R. That is given. Again what is given? Segment PQ is congruent to segment RQ. It is also given. And third, what you have to take? This angle. It is the common angle. Angle PQT is congruent to angle RQS. PQT is congruent to RQS. Which type of angle? Common angle. And therefore by which test? By ASA test of congruence. Which triangles are congruent? Triangle PQT is congruent to triangle RQS. In this way, you have to show that the triangles are congruent by using the test. Some signs are given in the figure. You have to use that signs and then show that the triangles are similar by any test. 5 tests we have already seen. Now out of 5 any one test is applicable for the figure. So write down all these 6 problems in your copy and complete exercise 3.1. Thank you and have a nice day.